Although America's military had the fragmented Global Liberation Army on the run following the last conflict here, terrorist activity remains a clear and present danger. Heavily armed assailants continue their occupation of the Baikonur launch facility in Kazakhstan. The GLA has armed the missiles at Baikonur with newly designed chemical warheads. This arsenal is aimed towards Europe, and evacuations of urban centers have already begun. A previous attempt by the Chinese to retake the facility has failed. With Chinese troops battling local warlords to the east, the United States has been asked to undertake the Baikonur mission. Tensions are high. A failed counterstrike could significantly weaken America's influence and strategic interests in Europe. From Falcon Base Command Center, I'm James Seabury.
General. The GLA launched their missile from the Baikonur facility early this morning. Intel reports that they are preparing a second launch. Use of this missile will severely weaken our foothold in Europe. It is vital that we remove this threat. Our sources indicate that the next missile is being transported to the launch facility by train. These tracks are the only way into the facility. The first step in completing our mission is to secure and hold this train depot. If we can intercept that train in time, we can use it as cover to infiltrate the base. Good luck, General.
Protecting our people.
How about a show of force?
How about a lift?
Ready for action.
Yeah?
Armor detail reporting.
Always prepared.
Crusader tank responding. Proceeding to target zone.
Humvee here.
Heavy armor ready for action. How about a show of force?
Doing what's right.
I'll fire at anything.
Ready for action. Heading out. Always prepared.
Yeah?
Army's elite. Need a point man? the hot zone. Everyone, keep your eyes open.
Car bomb! Car bomb!
Preserving freedom.
Got room for 5.
On your command.
Preserving freedom. Preserving freedom.
Scorpions at 9 o'clock!
Preserving freedom.
Focus to the north. Send reinforcements.
Army's
Transport
elite.
1 and 2, approaching the
Taking
landing
charge.
zone. Need a point, man?
Always prepared.
Preserving freedom.
Special forces here.
Ready for action.
Let's pop some tanks. Let me launch one, huh? I'll fire at anything.
Preserving freedom.
Special forces here. We have their building. Need a point, man?
Is there a threat?
Good work, General. The depot is secured.
Polished and ready.
Now we
Taking her
need to
in.
build an attack force large enough to destroy the GLA base. Load your best
Special
units
forces
onto
here.
the train. The train will
Search and
depart when
destroy.
it is completely
Let's
full.
pop some tanks.
Need a point, man?
Always prepared.
Army's elite.
Yeah?
Need a point, man?
I'll fire at anything.
Here comes trouble. Always prepared.
Secure
Good
and
work,
occupy.
General. The train is full. Our final objective is
Need a
this
point, man?
GLA base here.
He's on the target list.
Take it out
Providing
and the
fire
operation
support.
is complete.
Raid in progress. Fully engaged.
I want to blow something up.
Always prepared.
Somebody garrison that radio station. We need air support now.
Let's get in there. Always prepared.
On task.
Take the
Unit
building.
lost.
I hate this.
Special forces here. Army's elite. Secure and occupy. Exploiting target.
Unit lost.
On the go. Enemy identified. Fully engaged.
On task.
Exploiting target. He's on the
Unit
target
lost.
list. Need a point, man?
We need to finish destroying this base. The Moabs will be here any minute.
Ready for action. Always prepared.
Take a new position. Entering the structure. Special Forces here.
Unit lost.
Lock and load!
Army's elite. Ready for action. Secure and occupy.
Unit lost.
Search and destroy.
We need to finish destroying this base. The Moabs will be here any minute.
Exploiting target. Fully engaged.
Unit lost.
Yeah? Let's go in that building.
Calling in GLA bunker location at Grid Square Beta Charlie. 689er 44.
Need a point man.
Copy that,
Always
Delta 2.
prepared.
Your orders are to fall back. Over. Fast movers inbound. Stinger sights are down. Repeat, Stingers down. All units converge on GLA structures. Let's tear this place up.
Special Forces here.
Unit lost.
He's on the target list. Need a point man. Raid in progress. On task. Secure and occupy. Let's get in there.
Let me launch one, huh?
We need to finish destroying this base. The Moabs will be here any minute.
Special Forces here.
I'll fire at anything, letting her go. You bet. Take cover in there.
General, get your men out of the pit. We've got Moabs on the way. They're gonna blow this place to bits. We need to finish destroying this base. The Moabs will be here any
Moving.
minute.
This'll be fun. Sure thing.
Alpha Wing, area is clear. You may proceed.
Will do, HQ. I got him in my sights. Delivering payload. Love that fresh smell of Moab in the morning.
You are victorious.